Hey everyone, it's Samantha Erica and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, I am now 4 years natural. It's been 4 years since I've done my big chop. I can't believe how fast the years have gone by. For those of you who've seen that video, it's been 4 years since that video has been up. If you guys haven't seen my big chop video, I'll leave the link to that video somewhere in this video or in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, it's been 4 years since I've done my big chop. I've been growing my natural hair now, well, not for 4 years because I did transition for a whooping 20 months before I gained the confidence to do my big chop. So I did transition for a very long time. I feel like that is a lot longer than most people choose to transition. And I did transition for a long time because I guess I was afraid to let go of my length and I was scared to have short hair because I've never had short hair, well, not as far as I could remember, because when I was little my hair was long. I'll insert a picture somewhere in this video, maybe somewhere over here, so you guys can see how my hair looked when I was little. But I've always had long hair, so I was just very afraid to do my big chop, and that's why I ended up transitioning for so long. But once I did cut off my relaxed ends, it was like amazing. Like my hair just changed and it's been flourishing ever since I did my big chop. So I guess the purpose of today's video is just to update you guys on how my hair is doing. Right now it is in an old wash and go. If you guys want to see how I did this wash and go, you guys can check out my previous video where I did film that for you guys. So that is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair shrinks a lot. Like my hair shrinks more, like to less than 50% of its length when it's in a wash and go, or even if it's in maybe a twist out, it shrinks so much. So in today's video, I'm not going to be doing a length check just because I did do a length check at the end of January, and I feel like that hasn't been that long ago, so I'm not ready to measure my hair again, but I will stretch it out so you guys can see how long it is from the back. So I'll just grab a piece here and I'll just pull it down so you guys can see how long it is. So my hair is right here and it is at my lower back, so I would say that I'm lower back length. I've passed waist length and I'm at lower back length on my way to tailbone length. So my hair is growing really well, and it really does not look like it because it shrinks so much. But if you guys want to see my hair straightened, I did flat iron my hair in January as well when I measured it, so you guys can check that video out as well. So yes, my hair is growing. Yes, I would say it is fairly healthy, but it hasn't been all fun and rainbows. Like my hair takes forever to do. Like I wash my hair, well, I would say once a week, but lately I've been washing my hair every other week, and that's just because it takes so long to do, guys. Like my hair takes hours to do, and it's not really the washing process, it's the detangling process. My hair takes forever to detangle. I try to detangle it in the shower, but even then it still takes a very long time. My hair knots very easily, my strands are very fine, and it tangles a lot. Like I haven't done a wash and go in so long, and it's not only because it's winter and yes, my hair would get very dry if it's out like this in the winter time, but it's also because whenever I do a wash and go, my wash day after my wash and go takes probably twice as long as if I'm washing my hair after a braid out or a twist out. When I wear my hair in a wash and go, just the way my curls are, it causes my hair to tangle a lot, and it's just very hard for me to detangle. So my hair is like, I don't know, like if anybody else has to detangle my hair, like I feel really bad for them, and I wouldn't really even allow anybody else to detangle my hair just because it's very hard to do, and it's taken me, I would say, like 4 years, maybe three and a half years. Like I feel like I've finally mastered detangling my hair after all these years. Yes, everyone says you start from the tip and you work your way up, but like it's not even that easy. Like I have to use 2 different kinds of combs. Like I'm still trying to find a really good detangler. If you guys have any good ideas for a great detangler, please let me know in the comment section down below so I can go and find them and try them out on my hair, just because I haven't been able to find a good detangler, and maybe that can make the world of difference for my detangling process. Apart from the detangling, I've also been struggling with getting rid of my single-stranded knots and my like multi-stranded knots. If you look at the tip of my hair, you can see little knots, and I try to trim my hair pretty often to eliminate them, but I feel like single-stranded knots in curly hair, you can never get rid of them completely unless maybe you've just done like a big chop. But the knots aren't only at the end of the strands. Like I have single-stranded knots higher up, and for me to get those out, I have to search for those strands and cut it, because just trimming my hair, I'm not going to get the single-stranded knots that are higher up. So that's another problem that I'm dealing with. And I would say that my last problem is keeping my hair moisturized. My hair loses moisture very, very fast, and like I said, I try to wash my hair once a week or every other week, but in between wash days my hair does tend to get very dry. And I have my favorite moisturizers that I use that are very moisturizing, but I'm not one to constantly add moisture into my hair between my wash days. Like sometimes I'll spray my wash and goes when they get old with water to refresh them, but I don't really, I guess, moisturize my hair a lot between wash days, if that makes sense. Like once I comb my hair, when I wash it, it stays pretty much like that until I wash it again. I don't really go back in and add product to my hair. Only probably on my edges, I'll put a little bit of gel and I brush my edges, but I don't really like add more product to my hair between wash days. And maybe if I do that, it will help with the dryness. Maybe not, we'll see. Another thing I wanted to update you guys on is my highlights. I don't know if you can even see them right now, but I am growing out my highlights. I did get partial highlights done during the summer of 2016, and they're pretty much almost all grown out. But if you look at my tips, you can still see, let me come closer so you guys can see. You can still see the blonde highlights that I got at the end. You can see it right here, but I've just been letting them grow out, and I've been trimming. But I've just been letting them grow out, and I've been trimming my hair as it grows, and eventually they will disappear. I have no plans on dyeing my hair anytime soon. Maybe I will in the future, but I did experience a lot of dryness on my highlighted hair, so it's not anything that I'm in a hurry to do again. Anyways, I guess that's pretty much it for my hair update. I just wanted to come on and talk to you guys today because, I don't know, I'm just really excited that I am 4 years natural, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions for me about my hair routine or anything, you can just leave them in the comment section down below, and I will respond to you guys as per usual. And if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button down below. And also, so you don't miss out on my future uploads, don't forget to hit that little bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!